Welcome everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce you to mintNOW, an NFT deployment app for enterprise by Web3 technology solutions. This app is a zero code or low code solution that helps enterprises to launch their NFT collections in easy steps. It fulfills the requirement of multiple NFT business use cases by allowing users to pick and choose the features of NFT as per their individual business use cases. And it doesn't require any coding skills as it creates a smart contracts automatically under the hood tailored to the specific business cases. Okay, now let's jump into the demo of Mint now and see how a business use case like that of a native tribe can create a digital collectibles of their artifacts that anyone can purchase, collect and trade. There are two parts of this demo. First part I will show you as an enterprise user how can I create a collection and deploy a contract, and then in second part I will demonstrate how consumer can mint the NFT from the collection using the enterprise customer website. So this is the landing page of our application. I can sign into the application by clicking on the connect button. The MetaMask wallet will pop up, allowing you to sign in using your account. Only configured authorized addresses on the backend can access the application, ensuring that only approved person from your organization can use it. So right now my address is in the allowed list, hence it will allow me to access the application. So I'll go ahead and click on the sign button. I am signed in now. So once I'm signed in, I can go ahead and create a new project. This will bring up the page where I can enter the project name. I'll say tribal weapon. So this is the name of your collections. I say confirm. So now it will open configuration page. In this page, you can configure the data for the smart contract configurations. Okay, so now just to save the time, I have filled up all the details required to create the contract. So I given the token name is token tribal, token symbol is TWS, mint price is 1000, overall collection size is 10. And the other configuration parameters I have set like this. So NFT token type is single, type of metadata is regular, token ID will start from 1, and mint function accessibility is only for the owner. After doing this, I'll click on the next button. So it says the contract is created successfully. So this contract is just created in the background. It is not yet deployed. Okay, but it will move to the next page, which is a metadata page, where I can configure the detail about the metadata template that I would require for my project. So I would choose my metadata standard as OpenSea, and I will choose name, image, and description as part of the metadata properties. And also I add a couple of attributes over here. So I'll add attribute, say type of weapon, right? Then I'll say the purpose of the weapon. Okay, and I'll click on the add and save design. So my template is now ready to be downloaded. Now I click on save and download template. My template is downloaded and it's available on my local machine. I'm going to open that and I'm just going to fill this information with all the metadata that I wanted to upload. Okay, now to save the time, I have filled up this template with the data which I require to upload. So I given the name, image path, description, attribute type, and the purpose. So all this information is ready for all these 10 metadata. So now I will save this file and upload it in our application. So I'll move to the application, I'll say choose files, and I go to my download folder and choose that file. You can see that file has been loaded over here. It just gives a preview of the CSV. Everything looks fine, and I'm going to just click on the save to DB. It says CSV data save to DB, right? And it moves to the next page, view. So here in this page, I can see the images and the attributes and properties, everything in one single page. I say okay, everything looks fine. So I'm just going to create metadata. For that, I will enter the number of the metadata file that I require. So I have 10 meta files. So let's say I have put a 10 over here. And then I can click on the generate and metadata and upload to the IPFS. So it's going to upload and upload is completed. It's uploaded the file to the IPFS and the CID hash is generated and returned back, and it moves to the next page as well. So next page is deploy page. In this page, you can see all the information that we filled up in the first page, that is configuration, it's been shown over here, and IPFS hash, which has been generated from the last page, is also been shown over here. You may also observe that the contract is shown over here, which has been created in the step 1, and it's now going to be displayed over here just for the confirmation. So if everything looks fine, I'm going to click on the deploy button. There it is. My smart contract is deployed, and now the project is visible under the deploy project sections in the dashboard. Okay, so that was the end of the part 1. Now let's see the part 2, where I will show you how the consumers can mint the NFT from the website of the customers. So consider this website of any tribe community where anyone who wants to mint NFT will visit the site and choose the NFT as per their choice and click on the mint button. So for example, here I can see all the NFTs which are listed or which we have uploaded in the collections are displayed over here. So here, if I want to mint any of the NFT, what I can do, I can just click on the mint button. Let's say I'll go with this knives. I click on the mint button and it will wait for the MetaMask to appear. There it is. So now I say confirm. It should show transaction successful message. There it is. So it's shown the message and our NFT is minted. So this has been possible because in the background we provide the API support for the minting. So when the user clicks on the mint, in the background the API is fired on our platform, which will mint the NFT from that collection and transfer that NFT to the wallet address of the MetaMask. Now, if you remember, we have created a metadata template for open the standard, right? While configuring the collection. So let's see whether that NFT which we've minted is appearing on the OpenSea or not. So for that, let's do one thing. Let me connect with the same MetaMask address which I used for minting. I choose the MetaMask and now I'm connected with that address. Now I can go to the profile and I can see that NFT is been listed over here. I can click on this and see the detail of that NFT. So this brings the end of the demo. In case if you want to get in touch with us, kindly contact on the mentioned details in this slide.